In an obtuse angled triangle, another question. Length of the side opposite to obtuse angle, clearly mentioned that in a right angled, if I take it as 12 and 17, this is for a right angled triangle. Because it is an obtuse angled triangle, the figure will be like this. If the figure is like this, for a right angled triangle it is k square equivalent to 12 square plus 17 square. K square is 144 plus 289, which is k square is 433. But because in an obtuse angled triangle, with respect to right angled triangle as a point of reference, hypotenuse will increase, height will decrease. Hypotenuse will increase and height will decrease. So k square is greater than 433. But what is the condition for it to become a triangle? Case 1 we should not forget. 17 minus 12 less than k less than 17 plus 12, which is 5 less than k less than 21. 5 less than k less than 21. K square greater than 433, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441. So how many values I will get? I will write it in a black color. How many values I will get? 21 square is 441, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Totally 8 values I will get. I hope the idea is clear. Nikhil, in case if you got any things to share, you can WhatsApp me to our official number. We will discuss after the class. Just understand the gist of the class, understand the concept behind the class. If any calculation mistakes, if I did it right, please try to correct yourself. More than the calculation, I am more interested in teaching the concepts. 13th one, I hope it is clear, right? 14th one, idea is very clear. Once you understand it, you can solve it. Same thing. Consider obtuse angled triangle with sides 9, 21 and x. 21 is the greatest side. He has mentioned that 21 is the greatest side. If 21 is the greatest side, that means x is not the largest side. X is not the largest side. If x is not the largest side, that means case 3 will come plus case 1 will come. Case 3 plus case 1. You don't need to do case 2. In the previous problem, case 2 came. What is case 1? In what is the condition for the 3 sides to form a triangle? 21 minus 9 less than x less than 21 plus 9, which is 12 less than x less than 30. What is case 3? Case 3 is nothing but x is not the largest side. If x is not the largest side, right, x will be the height. If it is height, it is 21 and 9. If it is a right angled triangle, x square equivalent to 9 square plus 21 square. X square equivalent to 81 plus 441. X square equivalent to 522. But if it is an obtuse angled triangle, hypotenuse will increase. If hypotenuse increases, x height will decrease. X square is less than 522. If x square is less than 522, let us see which are all values which are there. If x square is less than 522, that means what is 23 square? 529. So 22 square 484. That means 13 is possible, 14 is possible, 15 is possible, and so on up to which all values are possible? 22 square is 484. So just see, and x21 is the greatest side. So 81 for 528, 44 plus 8, 522. X square should be less than 522. X square is less than 522 means 22 square 484. 22 I will get. 22 from 13 to 22. Just check the calculation. I am getting total 10 values. If any calculation mistakes are there, you can do it. I hope it is clear, right? 14th one, consider obtuse angled triangle. This is a very, very beautiful question which came in Greece Mathematical Olympiad, lifted from artofproblemsolving.com. You don't need to do a square greater than b square plus c square. In an acute angled triangle, it is 90 degrees. If it is an acute angled triangle, angle of 90 degrees is shifting to the right side. If it is shifting to the right side, what will happen? Hypotenuse decreases, height will increase. I think one important key point, please write down here. Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. If I take right angled triangle as a point of reference, if I take right angled triangle as a point of reference, what will happen in two cases? In an acute angled triangle and in an obtuse angled triangle. Acute angled triangle and in an obtuse angled triangle. In an obtuse angled triangle, hypotenuse value will grow. Hypotenuse increases. If hypotenuse increases, height will decrease. In an acute angled triangle, hypotenuse decreases. Hypotenuse decreases and height value will increase. Height value will increase. Please make a note of this very, very important key point. You may not be expected to use a square greater than b square plus c square. That is a mathematical method. That is how one generally solves. But once you know the concept of virtual positioning, you will be able to look at the question through a prism never seen before. Virtual positioning is identifying something with a point of reference. Here the point of reference is right angle triangle. Keep a right angled triangle as a base value and see how acute angled triangle is behaving with respect to right angled triangle. In an acute angled triangle, hypotenuse decreases, height increases. In an obtuse angled triangle, hypotenuse increases and height decreases. These questions, whether it is an acute angled triangle and an obtuse angled triangles, these questions generally comes in CAT examination. If I am not wrong, way back in CAT 2012 or 2009 to 2012, there were one question based on an I think 815x, the triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. As you know, most of the questions, right, in CAT Quant are greatly inspired from artofproblemsolving.com. Especially if you look at AMC, American Mathematical Olympiad papers, or if you look at the sub-junior 8th, 9th and 10th mathematical, only from number system, arithmetic and algebra, you will find close to 2,25,000 questions there, right? I hope it is clear. 14th one. Next one. Let us see the another question. In an obtuse angled triangle, the greatest side is x, where x is an integer and other two sides are 11 and 12. This is an exact question which I took it out from, right, one of the CAT books. I think this was a doubt asked by a student and he said that this is from one of the CAT books with a change in numerical values. The book is on Arun Sharma, I think. Right? I am not interested in the question. I am interested in telling you, if you give this question to me, how I will solve this question. Case 1. The first triangle should be, first three sides should form a triangle. 12 minus 11 less than x less than 12 plus 11. So 1 less than x less than 23. 1 less than x less than 23. Case 1 is clear. Case 2. Case 2, what we have to do, if the, now he has given that the greatest side is x. How to solve acute angled and obtuse angled triangled problem? In acute angled triangle, first check whether the three sides form a triangle, that is case 1. X is the largest side, case 2. X is not the largest side, case 3. But here I don't need to do case 3. He has already mentioned that x is the greatest side. See, I think 3 years before I kept it in one of the YouTube channel related to acute angled and obtuse angled triangles using the same method. You can type Anil Nair acute angled triangle in YouTube, you will get it. X is the largest side. If x is there, this is 11 and it is 12. So x square is nothing but 11 square plus 12 square. So x square is nothing but 121 plus 144. X square is nothing but 265. But it is an obtuse angled triangle. Angle will be greater than 90. That means what will happen to hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will increase. X square is greater than 265. If x square is greater than 265, what is the smallest integral value that is greater than 265? 17 square is 289. So that means smallest value is 17. The value should go up to less than 23. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So totally how many I got? Totally I got 6. Totally I got 6 values. This is a very, very important approach, especially perimeter based problems, angle based problems, similarity based problems, circular based problems, 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions. This is one topic which is of extreme importance to Indian aptitude examination, mainly for Staff Selection Commission and also predominantly for CAT and other management exams. I hope the idea is clear. Case 2. Case 3. Case 3. Now this is an original CAT question. Now you can solve this question without using pen and a paper. Case 1. First it should form the sides of a triangle. 15 minus 8 less than x less than 15 plus 8. I kept the same question in the YouTube channel some years before. 7 less than x less than 23. This is an original CAT question. Case 1. Case 2. First make x as the largest side. Assume that it is a right angled triangle. X 8, 15. X square equivalent to 8 square plus 15 square. So x will become 8, 15, 17. X is 17. Because it is an obtuse angled triangle, hypotenuse will grow. So x is greater than or equivalent to 17. Second condition we got. Case 3. What if x is not the largest side? So this will become, make the x as the height. If it is 15 and 8, x square is nothing but 15 square minus 8 square, 224 minus 64, which is 161. If the hypotenuse is growing, height will be less. So x square is less than 161. What are the conditions we got? X square is less than 161. X square is greater than or equivalent to 289. Less than 161 means x maximum value it can take is 12. So 7 less than x means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the values which we will get. X is greater than or equivalent to 17. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 we will get. I hope it is clear, right? So let us check if there are any calculation mistakes are there. Calculation mistakes. I think it is greater than 17. So 18 I will get. So 5 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. I hope the idea is clear, right? Case 1, all the 3 sides should form a triangle. Case 2, x is the largest side. Case 3, x is not the largest side. Here I will get x square should be greater than 17 square. 218, 9. So x will be from 18. Case 1, case 2 and case 3. I hope if there are any calculation mistakes, please take care of it. Case 1, case 2 and case 3. This is an original CAT question. Acute, obtuse and right angled triangle. These questions are extremely important. This is a take home for you. Case 1 will be 4 less than x less than 24. Case 2 will be x is the largest side, 10 and 14. This is an age-old quant question, 10 square plus 14 square. Case 3 is x is 14, 10. So hypotenuse, x square is less than 14 square minus 10 square. X square is greater than 10 square plus 14 square. Intersection of all these three regions, you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. X is the largest side and x is not the largest side. X is the largest and x is not the largest side. X is not the largest side. Right? Case 1 plus case 2 plus case 3. I hope the answer is clear. Next one. A, B, C are integers and the sides of an obtuse angled triangle. AB is equivalent to 4, find C. This is a replica of the Proc-Mock question, which I developed when I was one of the CL South head. Right, thus the value has been changed. That question is AB is equivalent to 25. Now it is AB is equivalent to 4. This is also one of the doubt asked by a student. ABC are the sides of an triangle. AB is equivalent to 4. 1 equivalent to 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. If ABC are the sides of a triangle, what will be the answer? What will be the third side? Third side will always lies from B minus A less than C less than B plus A. So 3 less than C less than 5. The maximum integral value C can take is 4. 2 minus 2, 1. 1 is less than 2 minus 2, 0. 0 is less than, C is less than 2 plus 2, 4. So C value will become 1, 2, 3. Now what are the cases possible? 1, 4, 4. One case possible. Another is 2, 1, 2. Another case 2, 2, 2. Another case 2, 2, 3. Another case. Check if they are forming the sides. Check by using the property A square greater than B square plus C square, which is the condition for the three sides to form a triangle. Eliminate the incorrect cases. I hope it is, you are all there. Eliminate the incorrect cases which does not satisfy the property of a obtuse angled triangle. Are you all with me, right, sir? I just took the sides which satisfies the condition ABC are the sides of a triangle. Then use the condition A square greater than B square plus C square. Sum of the squares should be greater than the sum of the other two sides. If each one is less than the other two sides, then it is not. 2, 2, 2 is an equilateral triangle. 2, 2, 3 is an isosceles triangle. Are you all with me? Right? Just check it out by using a property. Anyway, these eliminated. Other three things, please check it out. I hope it is clear. Now these are all. Now these questions will come back, right? Again in the night class. Thanks a lot for watching the class. We will come back again. So what are the things that we learnt today? Let me repeat it. Let me repeat few questions, right? These are all the things that we have learnt. We have learnt today. I hope it is clear. All are angle based problems. Thanks a lot for your patient watching.